Oh, Celine, Celine, look at me. I'm a family tree. Oh, okay. Oh my God, where's my phone? Where's my phone? Oh no. Where's my phone? Oh my God, my husband calling me. Interian? Ikaw ang sa ikaw ang mga yung hindi totoo ka. No, you know, I'm talking to you. I'm close to last night in Samoa. And we're going to look at my parents, yeah. No, baby. Every time I'm talking to you, you tell me about my I don't never talk about my booty, yo. Oh no, Indian. It's my house girl. Don't mention. Baby, give me a chance. I want to go and see Mama and Papa in Samoa. Okay, salamat po, salam honey. Okay, I gotta go. I know this 12 p.m. my flight. Bye.
One of applause for our contestants number 1, the Queen of Anderson, Dr. Sita Wamomua.
Excuse me, it's not finished.
And our next contestants, the Queen of
Oh my God, where's my screen? Because the mosquito hate my body. Oh no. I remember, I want to taste the coco Samoa. So I go looking around in the shop with a market. Sis, kaya mo ko kurog wang game, wag ka lang kung Tanggal ko kurang kamali mo po. Ay ko po. Mga iya sumali. Okay ha? Ole ko Samoa.
Coco Samoa.
Ole ko Samoa.
Coco Samoa.
Oh, coco Samoa. All right, how much are your coco Samoa? Wakali? Oh, just only American dollars. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'm talking to you, brother. The coco Samoa, it's really nice.
Coco Samoa.
Let me pakupakui.
Ben Coco.
Ole pakupak pengua.
Ben El Kotoko.
Yeah, okay, I do doko. Pengoko. Okay. You know what? In the Philippines, my children want to learn the Samoa, the coco Samoa. But in Manila. Okay, thank you. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. I want to go in a church, the restaurant or what you calling? Yeah, the restaurant in Samoa. So I need a menu right now. Knock knock, yo.
Come in.
Hello, lady.
Oh, hello.
Mẹ ai quá là mùi.
Ole moa fai ama mui.
Ole fai ma mui pipi Malia.
Malia.
Oh. Okay.
Ole alo me I feel mawatina.
Ole order. Can I have a cup of good powder cheese, margarita, chicken on the macaroni, pets on the top of no gas?
Ole alo ba you feel mawatina?
So what's your flavor you're drinking right now?
We have lemonade, cola, strawberry,
I don't like
and
that.
lime.
It's too sweet for my teeth. I want a tsunami and a volcano and anything earthquake that's bringing it. Oh, yeah.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Okay. I don't like the weather. My gosh, my body. So electric. I don't know what's gonna happen to me. I don't know what's going on in my skin, but I know this is Chris Brown not like it to me. But I'm a Nicki Minaj is gonna buy my step. You want to chicken macaroni on the pot top my ex? But you okay. Ring the bell, subscribe and drink the Sprite, yo.